Instagram, a platform once known for sharing photos, has evolved into a powerful tool for income generation. You might think it's all about selfies and lifestyle posts, but there's a secret. You can earn substantial income without ever showing your face. This opens up a world of opportunities for students, introverts, or anyone seeking anonymity. Imagine earning money by simply sharing your passions, knowledge, or creativity, all while remaining completely anonymous. This is the reality of faceless Instagram marketing. By focusing on content creation and strategic monetization methods, you can transform your Instagram account into a thriving online business. Whether you're a skilled writer, a tech enthusiast, a food lover, or a fashionista, there's a place for you on Instagram. This guide will equip you with the tools and knowledge to navigate the platform, build a loyal following, and turn your passion into profit, all without revealing your identity. So, are you ready to unlock the earning potential of Instagram without showing your face? Let's dive in. Before diving into the world of Instagram monetization, it's crucial to identify your niche. Think of a niche as your area of expertise, the specific topic around which your content will revolve. Choosing the right niche is crucial for attracting a targeted audience genuinely interested in what you offer. Start by brainstorming your interests, passions, and skills. Are you a tech whiz who loves reviewing gadgets? Do you have a knack for creating delicious recipes? Perhaps you're a fashion enthusiast with an eye for style. Once you have a list of potential niches, it's time to research their popularity and profitability on Instagram. Look for niches with high engagement rates, active communities, and a demand for products or services related to your chosen area. Remember, your niche should be something you're passionate about. This passion will fuel your creativity, enabling you to consistently produce high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Reels, Instagram's short-form video format, are your secret weapon for reaching a wider audience and boosting engagement. These bite-sized videos, often set to music or trending audio, offer a dynamic way to showcase your niche, share valuable information, and captivate viewers. But creating a successful reel goes beyond simply hitting the record button. It's about crafting visually appealing, attention-grabbing content that provides value to your audience. Start by incorporating trending audio or music relevant to your niche. Next, focus on delivering valuable information, tips, or entertainment within the first few seconds to hook viewers. Use text overlays, transitions, and creative editing to make your reels stand out. Whether you're showcasing a product, sharing a recipe, or offering tech advice, keep your reels concise, engaging, and visually appealing. Remember, consistency is key on Instagram. Aim to post reels regularly to keep your audience engaged and your content at the forefront of their minds. Now that you understand the power of Reels, let's explore how to turn those views into earnings. One effective method is through Instagram's Reels Play bonus program. This program allows eligible creators to earn money based on the performance of their reels. While the specifics of the program can change, it generally involves meeting certain eligibility criteria, such as having a certain number of followers and adhering to Instagram's monetization policies. Once eligible, you can start earning based on the number of plays your reels receive. To maximize your earnings, focus on creating high-quality, engaging reels that resonate with your target audience. Use relevant hashtags, participate in trending challenges, and promote your reels across your other social media platforms to increase their visibility and reach. Remember, consistency is key. The more high-quality reels you create, the higher your chances of qualifying for the bonus program and maximizing your earnings. Legal services, a lucrative niche for advertising. If you're looking for a profitable niche to monetize your Instagram presence, consider legal services. This evergreen industry is ripe with opportunities for those skilled in digital marketing and content creation. Law firms and legal professionals are constantly seeking ways to reach new clients and expand their online presence. By positioning yourself as an expert in legal marketing, you can offer valuable services such as social media management, content creation, and advertising campaign management. Focus on creating informative and engaging reels that address common legal questions, showcase the expertise of legal professionals, or provide helpful tips related to legal matters. Use relevant hashtags to attract users seeking legal advice or services. By partnering with law firms or individual lawyers, you can generate a steady stream of income through advertising fees, retainer agreements, or performance-based bonuses. Affiliate marketing, your path to passive income. Affiliate marketing is another lucrative avenue for monetizing your Instagram presence without showing your face. This performance-based marketing model involves promoting other companies' products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. Start by identifying companies and brands within your niche that offer affiliate programs. Look for products or services that align with your content and would be of genuine interest to your audience. Once you've joined an affiliate program, you'll receive a unique referral link to share with your followers. You can seamlessly integrate these links into your Reels, Stories, and bio. For instance, if you're in the tech niche, you could create a reel showcasing the latest smartphone and include your affiliate link in the caption. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its passive income potential. By creating engaging content that drives traffic to your affiliate links, you can earn commissions even while you sleep. Instagram Insights, your guide to optimization. Instagram Insights is your secret weapon for understanding your audience and optimizing your content. This data provides invaluable insights into your followers' demographics, interests, and behaviors. Uncover which types of content resonate most with your audience, the optimal times to post, and which hashtags drive the most traffic. Use this data to refine your content strategy, tailor your posts to your audience's preferences, and schedule your content for peak engagement times. Growing your audience, reaching more potential clients. Building a substantial and engaged audience is essential for maximizing your earning potential on Instagram. While creating high-quality content is crucial, it's equally important to employ effective strategies to expand your reach and attract new followers. One powerful method is through targeted hashtag usage. By researching and incorporating relevant hashtags into your posts and reels, you can increase the discoverability of your content to users interested in your niche. Aim for a mix of broad and niche-specific hashtags to maximize your reach. Collaborating with other creators in your niche is another effective way to tap into new audiences. By participating in joint ventures, cross-promoting each other's content, or co-hosting live streams, you can introduce your profile to a wider pool of potential followers. Additionally, consider running targeted Instagram ad campaigns to reach specific demographics and interests. While this requires a financial investment, it can be a highly effective way to accelerate your audience growth and reach users who might not discover your content organically. Turning Reels into 1,000 rupees per day, a step-by-step guide. Earning 1,000 rupees per day by watching Reels is achievable with the right strategy. Consistent effort and a strategic approach can lead to substantial earnings. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. 1. Choose a profitable niche. 2. Create high-quality Reels. 3. Optimize for discoverability. 4. Join affiliate programs. 5. Offer advertising services. Consistency is key. The more high-quality Reels you create, the higher your chances of earning income. Content is king, delivering value to your audience. In the ever-evolving world of social media, one principle remains constant. Content is king. Regardless of your chosen niche or monetization method, the success of your Instagram journey hinges on your ability to consistently deliver valuable, engaging, and high-quality content to your audience. But what constitutes valuable content? It's content that educates, entertains, inspires, or solves a problem for your target audience. It's content that resonates, sparks conversation, and leaves your followers wanting more. Whether you're sharing insightful tips, creating visually stunning reels, or offering exclusive behind-the-scenes glimpses into your niche, prioritize delivering content that provides genuine value to your audience. Remember, your content is a reflection of your brand. By consistently providing value, you'll foster trust, loyalty, and a strong community around your profile, all essential ingredients for long-term success on Instagram. Unlocking your potential. Start your Instagram journey today. Embarking on your Instagram journey might seem daunting, but remember, every successful creator started with a single step. The power to build a thriving online business, connect with a global audience, and generate income on your own terms is at your fingertips. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn from your mistakes, and adapt your strategies along the way. The beauty of Instagram lies in its ever-evolving nature, providing endless opportunities for growth and innovation. So what are you waiting for? Embrace the power of faceless Instagram marketing, unlock your earning potential, and transform your passion into profit. Your Instagram journey starts today.